Hey, Brian Parker here with another exciting video. Again, this is a continuation of this week we're doing a case study series, meaning people send me their paperwork and I'm not offering legal advice. I'm using their paperwork to generally instruct you how I would handle that case. It just so happens this case is from Georgia. It's the exact same paperwork that I see in Michigan, that you'll see in California, that you'll see in Florida, yada, yada, yada. So as a general statement, I'm going to show you how to beat a UHG I, LLC lawsuit. And this came from a member that sent us her stuff. We did a Q&A about a week ago and I said, hey man, send me your stuff, I'll take a look. So we're doing this case study series. So I just did a full-length video. I'm just going to give you briefly what I said and some tips for you, and go to killdebt.com for 3 things. All the documents I use to help anybody that's going through this. The documents you'll need, I'll have the answer, I'll have the counter affidavit. Remember, Kill Debt AI starts at noon, June 20th, 2025. All our members get it for free for 2 weeks. We just want you to go have fun, tell us where we need to fix it, but current members get it for free. And that starts noon at June 20th, 2025. But back to the good stuff. This is a small review of a much larger video we did on killdebt.com. So let's put up the bill of sale in this case, Shazam. That's fun. Immediately Lending Club Corporation at the top says they're selling something to UHG. Well, question, who sold it to Lending Club Corporation? I don't think we'll ever know. You may also want to consider where's the member's name, account number, all that stuff. Of course, it's not there. And also that last paragraph, Lending Club represents and warrants that each of the undersigned investors, other than Lending Club, where Lending Club is the investor, has executed blah, 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 blah. What investors? Why are investors in a debt collection case? Because the debt was securitized. I don't know who gave it to whom, but there's attached to that bill of sale, I'll show you on the long video, is a long list of investors. So that is dead on arrival. So the funnest thing of this whole thing that I show you on the long video, but I'll show you here, Shazam, is the certificate of loan sale. I'll put it up there for a second. You're all smart and you all know you're a disciple of me. Do you see what's missing there? It's the funniest thing. Even I tripped over it. But I always look at things like 3 or 4 times because I don't get it the first time. I have to keep reading and reading. And I recommend reading and reading and reading. Do you see it yet? Do you see it? Do you see it? I'll give you a hint. WebBank is sending something as a transferor to who? It doesn't say. It just says transfer originates loans that are serviced by Lending Club Corp. Okay. Each of the loans identified by loan number on the attached Exhibit A, there is no attached Exhibit A, was originated by WebBank. Okay. Subsequent to such origination, transferor transferred or otherwise conveyed to a transferee. A transferee, loan identified on Exhibit A. Who? This isn't an assignment because there's no other person or assignee. They forgot to mention who they're assigning the thing to. They have Lending Club all over this. And interestingly, look at this. See the date? 10/28/2020. See if we can put the bill of sale right next to it. 10/23/2020. How is the bill of sale possible? Or how is WebBank able to send anything to anybody if Lending Club owned the thing to give it to UHG, the buyer, 5 days before WebBank sold anything? So that's the type of fun stuff that UHG, and you see it a lot in all fintech cases. They also have an affidavit, Shazam, and that's an affidavit of claim, no kidding. This person doesn't work for UHG. She says I'm an authorized agent and account administrator of UHG. Is she? Where's the proof? But interestingly, look what she says. Let me put this up. Shazam, information of the account reference below provided to UHG LLC by the original creditor, web bank, or its assignee. Well, which one? If you're saying you have personal knowledge, and all affidavits do, wouldn't you need to know, or wouldn't you know if you had personal knowledge, if it was web bank or the assignee that's giving you all this stuff that you claim to know about because you work / agent of somebody. So that's the type of fun stuff that you'll see in a UHG case. Also, that affidavit, I've done videos on hearsay, as you know, that's total hearsay. She has to have personal knowledge and her own language. In fact, her thing says, the records are kept in the ordinary course of regular conducted business activity and are made either by a person having personal knowledge of the information contained therein, or based on information conveyed to a person having personal knowledge. You can't be wishy-washy. You have personal knowledge or you don't. But that's the type of crap that shows up in a UHG and other fintech cases. So my full video will be attached to killdebt.com. We'll have all the fun stuff, incorporating the counter affidavit, incorporating an answer for you with my show notes, more than these, and a way for you to get out of your next UHG lawsuit, or if you're going through it now, fantastic. Remember, KillDebt AI. That's where you just go to our website, look for KillDebt AI, and if you're a member, you get to have full document, letters, everything else done for you. Just put it into the AI of it all, and up pops a decent response for your self-defense. We're not claiming the legal documents. You've got to add you put your facts, your law, whatever. You know, I've been on it, and it actually goes into some legal databases and applies some things. But like most AI programs, you have to fix and finish in sandpaper before you file it. But this AI is a way to get 90% of the work done. You just add the necessary stuff, clean it up, and boom, with your proof of service, send it to the court. That's KillDebt AI, starts noon of June 20th, 2025, and it's free for 2 weeks for current members of killdebt.com. So look for the long video on killdebt.com, and I hope this at least give you a nice sniff of what's to come on killdebt.com. Let's go get them. Thank you. Bye.